Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we are covering the Excel max function. If you wish to follow along, there is a link to the Excel file in this video in the description below. While you're down there, please like, subscribe, and leave me a comment on this video or an Excel tutorial you would like to see. The Excel max function returns the largest value in a set of values. The Excel max function is part of the Excel statistical group. There is one required argument. Number 1. You can have up to 254 additional arguments if needed. These arguments can either be numbers or names, arrays or references that contain numbers. Logical values and text representation of numbers that you type directly into the list arguments will be evaluated. If the arguments contain no numbers, max returns 0. In this example, I have 5 columns, item 1 through item 5. I will create my formula in column F. In F2, the formula will be equals max, open parentheses, A2, colon, E2, close parentheses. Now let's review each row. In row 2, this is a basic number set, so the max value is easy to spot, E2 with a value of 5. Row 3 is a date set. Again, not hard to pinpoint, cell D3 with a date of 5/7/2033. In row 4, we have a set of different values. Looking at the values, I would assume that item 3 would be the max value, but it is not. Item 3 is stored as a text value, so it will not be evaluated. Item 2 and item 5 are logical values, and since the formula is using a range, these will not be evaluated, so that gives us a max value of -2. If I want to manually enter in each value of row 4, equals max, open parentheses, -4, comma, true, comma, double quote 3, double quote, comma, -2, comma, false, close parentheses, you will see that the formula converted the text value 3 to a numeric value, and now the result is 3. The same is true if we use logical values such as equals max, open parentheses, true, comma, false, comma, -4, close parentheses. True is represented as a numeric value of 1, false is a numeric value of 0. So true is greater than 0 and -4, giving us a result of 1. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really does help my channel. Leave a comment below to let me know if this video was helpful or if you would like to see a video on a specific Excel topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.